Did you know that artificial intelligence is quietly building passive income streams for thousands of entrepreneurs without them lifting a finger? Imagine waking up to sales notifications from a business that runs itself. No inventory, no upfront costs, and no design skills required. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. Welcome to the world of AI-powered print-on-demand. Print-on-demand, or PHOD, is one of the easiest ways to start an online business today. It lets you sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, posters, and even phone cases without ever touching the inventory. You simply create a design, upload it to a platform, and when a customer buys, the printing company manufactures and ships the product for you. Your profit? The difference between the retail price and the production cost. It's a business model built for automation, and AI is making it even easier. Now, let's talk about the types of print-on-demand businesses you can start. Apparel is the most popular, think t-shirts, hoodies, and hats. But there's also home decor, like canvas prints and pillows, as well as accessories like tote bags and phone cases. Some entrepreneurs even use pod for niche markets, selling custom-designed pet accessories, gamer merch, or motivational posters. The possibilities are endless. So why is print-on-demand such a powerful passive income stream? First, there's virtually no upfront investment. No warehouses, no bulk purchases, just pure digital profit. Second, it's a low-risk model. You only pay when you make a sale. And third, it's infinitely scalable. With AI-generated designs, you can launch hundreds of products in minutes, maximizing your earning potential. Let's talk about the top print-on-demand companies that handle everything from printing to shipping. Printful, Printify, and Guten are among the biggest players. Redbubble, Teespring, and Society6 cater to artists looking for an all-in-one marketplace. If you prefer full control, Shopify integrates seamlessly with pod platforms, letting you build your own branded store. Speaking of selling platforms, where can you list your print-on-demand products? Marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon Merch, and eBay give you instant access to millions of buyers. But if you want to build a long-term brand, having your own website is a game changer. Shopify remains the go-to for e-commerce, but AI-powered website builders like Hostinger and WP Zip make it even easier, allowing you to create a sleek online store in minutes, no coding required. And here's where AI takes things to the next level. AI tools can generate stunning, high-converting designs instantly, no graphic design skills needed. Platforms like Canva's AI design tools, Kittl, and Midjourney can turn simple ideas into pro-level graphics. AI-driven product descriptions? ChatGPT and Jasper AI can handle that too. Even AI-powered ads can automate your marketing, ensuring your store runs on autopilot. So, what's stopping you from starting your own AI-powered print-on-demand business? Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-scale operation, the tools are right in front of you. Let AI do the heavy lifting, and you collect the profits. Have a question? Drop it in the comments. I read as many as I can. And if you're serious about turning AI into your financial advantage, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Click the video on your screen, and I'll show you the next step to scaling your income.